So ladies and proggers, in my previous video I described how I make Microsoft homepage clone, and in this video I'm gonna make a quick tutorial how to make that thing, all of the stuff which I made, because in other way I don't know how can I stand out from other proggers. As you can see guys, this is most typical HTML with the CSS and folder for our photos. And I wanted to start this point with I linked photos from npm, so you will not need to download a folder, and that is nice. Next most typical issue which I made, that I started from this part, header part, and I forgot to use a bootstrap from the start, so I make a container and give a style for our container by the hand. So as you can guess, there was a problem with our response. Start talking about a header. What I here in Microsoft homepage we have two headers actually and one logo. So I make a main nav and another nav. I make a main nav, and inside of him I make two wheels like right menu and main nav, and use a system with wheel A, which use array junior. I know that, but just excuse me. No! Just give it a little bit style for our A, that there should be in this color, and as you can see all of these links here are in the same color. And yeah, let's move to the showcase. In my case I not make a either, so I make just h2 and just get a photo in his background. Well, in most hardest part was with our home cars part, because as I said there was no bootstrap, and I was have to make the response all of this part by the hand and with the help of grid, which I want to tell in the end of this video. Yeah, this part I just duplicated from here. I duplicated this part and just change paddings with background photo I saw. Yeah. Talking about home cards, I should notice this part what I use the grid system, because without this grid system I couldn't make magic where you have two elements and both of them are full this area where they are. In my case I give it a grid template columns repeat 4 times from 1 fr, so they full this area. They become bigger if your screen is bigger, and become smaller, and with the help of media I give it, I remember, yeah, I give it them firstly 2 fr, so they become smaller in your smaller screen. So let me show you. Yeah, they then become smaller in 500 screen, and after that and become from 1 fr. Let me show you in this place. Yeah, here I give them from 1 fr, so I might spend much less time to do this website if I use the bootstrap, but we are getting started our most hardest places, I guess, because it's our footer. There I read more code than wherever, I guess. Honestly, I just copied it, but this could be much harder if I read everything by hand. Whether I just use it simply structure like creating a div, will h3 or a. Why, you may ask me, because and I will answer you, because of that what I give it the color for our all of aids in our website, in our wheel list style not. And as you can guess from the start, all of these links was in this color, some sort of gray color, them just font size 16 pixels, just responsibility for them. And so guys, this is actually the Microsoft homepage website. You may think how I do that, because this Microsoft is company which costs nearly $2 trillion from T, and a teenager from 6 country in 16 years old can make the actually same thing which make us Microsoft engineers. Yeah, it's strange, I know. So I make a video about how YouTube tutorials are changing IT industry, and if you don't watch this video, link for them gonna be in the description. And if you don't watch my previous coding challenges, which you actually should, link to them gonna be in the description too. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and bye bye.